3 years ago, I purchased a set of X-Chocks for my trailer. After dozens of camping trips and hundreds of nights on the road, I'm going to give you my honest 3-year review of X-Chocks. Do you think they passed or do you think they failed? Hold on. You're going to find out here shortly. Let's get started. Here we go. I'm Chuck from Lake to Lake, and we're going to talk about X-Chocks, my 3-year review. In case you don't remember or aren't familiar with them, these X-Chocks go between your dual axles on a travel trailer. They expand out and they put pressure on the tires to keep the tires from moving and help keep the travel trailer stable. It prevents the trailer from rocking forward and backwards and a little bit of side to side, mostly front to back. They work in conjunction with the stabilizer jacks. So now you have two different mechanical systems helping stabilize your trailer to make it rock solid. And believe me, it is rock solid. It does work. In the 3 years I've tested these, I've used these on every trip I've been on when I've gone camping. The first thing I noticed, it was so much more comfortable inside. No more feeling like you're on a boat when you're walking down the trailer, or you're laying in bed, somebody walks down the trailer. The trailer is just rock solid. It doesn't move. They've held up well in the rain, the cold, the hot, the snow once, and they've held up. They're of good quality. The steel is solid. The mechanism works just as good as the day I got it. You do have to tighten some bolts. Occasionally these little bolts come loose, but you tighten them up. No biggie. Okay, so a little bit of durability and maintenance. The little bit of maintenance you got to do is you got to clean out this thread. You got to put a little bit of oil on it. You got to oil if you oil these pivot points, that's good. And you just clean them up. I don't clean mine up as much as I should, but you know what? They've held up. They're rock solid. They're just as solid as the day I bought them. Do not see any noticeable wear and tear on them, and they're probably installed 100 days a year. Can't knock the quality. The pros, the thing is, they keep the trailer rock solid. They keep it from rocking forward to backwards, side to side. They don't get that boat feeling with these. They're easy to use and install. No real problems. They're durable. 3 years, I've had these three. They're easy to use and easy to set up. They're durable. After 3 years, there is no noticeable wear and tear on this device. I'd say if there's any cons, I'd say number one con is you got two sets of axles, so you got to buy two of them instead of just one. But that's all right. And the other thing is, the older you get, you got to get down on your hands and knees to install them between the tires. But that's just part of doing business. So after 3 years, are the X-Chocks worth it for me? Absolutely. They're not flashy. They just work. You combine this with a set of stabilizers. Now you got two mechanical devices stabilizing your trailer. You got the stabilizers and you got the X-Chocks. It makes it rock solid. And that 3 years later, they're still doing the exact, whoop, that's kind of loose there. They're still doing the exact same thing they did the day I bought them. They work. So whether you're a full-time camper or part-timer, I definitely would recommend these, especially if you want just the comfort of your trailer not rocking and rolling like a boat. That is sometimes. They work. So have you tried X-Chocks or some other stabilizers? Let me know. Put them down in the comments and let me know if you've been using these. How many years have you had them? Have they held up? Do you think they're as durable as I find them out to be? Put your information in the comments. I really like reading the comments. So, if you like what you saw, ring that bell. Oh, sorry. If you like what you saw, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe. And if you want to know when the videos come out, hit the notification bell. And if you want to see more reviews, more how-tos, check out the other videos on my YouTube channel at Lake to Lake. All right, well, guys, I think that'll wrap it up. So until we meet around the campfire, y'all take care now. Bye-bye.